In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Pandadoc. By the end, you will know how to create a document, add recipients, place the right fields, and send it out for signature with confidence. Start in your Pandadoc dashboard. Look to the top left of the screen for the green Create button with a plus symbol. Click it and then choose Document. This is the starting point for most agreements, proposals, and forms you need signed. Next, decide how you want to build your document. If you already have a file prepared, choose Upload. This lets you select a PDF or Word document from your computer and bring it into Pandadoc. If you would rather work from a ready-made layout, choose Templates. Templates are helpful when you send similar documents often, because the structure and branding can already be in place. Pick the option that matches what you are trying to send today, and wait for the document to load. Once your document is open, add your recipients. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign. Make sure the email is typed correctly, since this is where the signing link will be delivered. If you are sending to more than one person, add each recipient carefully, so Pandadoc can assign fields to the correct signer. Now you will add the fields your recipient needs to complete. On the right sidebar, you will see blocks like signature, date, and text. Drag and drop each block onto the correct spot in the document. Place signature fields exactly where the person should sign, add a date field where the signing date belongs, and use text fields for things like names, addresses, or other required details. Take a moment to align fields neatly so the document looks professional and is easy to complete. After placing fields, click each one to confirm it is assigned to the correct recipient. This is important especially if there are multiple people involved, because the wrong assignment can prevent the document from being completed smoothly. Finally, send the document. Click Send in the top right. Add a short message that explains what you are sending and what you need the recipient to do. Then click Send Document to deliver it. That covers everything you need to know.